So this is the Pixel 8a and it is gonna be a flagship killer. Some live images of the Pixel 8a coming in courtesy Abhishek Yadav, and yes, it is clearly a small and compact device than the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 7a is quite boxy, but with the 8a we have similar Pixel 8 like rounded curved corners and a small form factor at 6.1 inch. The top side and chin bezels are quite thick, but that is fine for a device which is gonna cost as low as $499. The best part is Pixel 8 is coming with Tensor G3 silicon, so you get all the latest power, AI magic, latest ISP in this device too. Now we may not see 7 years of OS and security patch commitment for this device too because it's likely flagship exclusive, but surely it's gonna get 4 years of OS and security patches each month, which is more than enough for most of us. Some renders of the Pixel 8a coming in from OnLeaks and Smart Bricks, and still got dual cameras, so main and super wide. For sure it's gonna take some fantastic photos and videos, and you'll get all the software magic too. There's gonna be at least 90Hz display like the 7a, in-display fingerprint scanner, a better Face ID, and of course Android 14 out of the box. Some news coming in: the Pixel Flip and Pixel Fold 2 are in the works and we may see them next year along with the Pixel 9 series. Hot news coming in: TSMC is working on a future Tensor chip, was initially planned for next year, but due to some issues they are planning it to launch with the Pixel 10 in 2025. So as you heard that right, the Tensor G5 will be based on TSMC 3nm process, which will be powerful and power efficient. Yeah, I guess we'll finally have something to give it a fight to Qualcomm and Apple. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.